Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have a tiny haul for you guys. I've been trying to do a video in the past couple of days and it's just been so difficult. Just really busy with my family. My daughter is not feeling good. She might have tonsillitis. We don't know yet, so she's gonna go get checked tomorrow. She's gonna actually hopefully see a doctor. So yeah, there's been things going on, so I just haven't had a chance to do a video. I did create something for Alina Craft, so for my design team. Um, Stay tuned for that. I'm in the middle of editing that, but I thought I'd go ahead and just do a quick haul video, so I can put stuff away, and plus I don't have to do a whole lot of editing when I'm doing a haul. So all right, so a couple of things from Amazon. So last time I had showed you guys a Tim Holtz die that I had purchased, and it was supposed to come with this. I mean, they're separate purchases, but I did buy this one. This is the dimensional domes. You get 12 in a pack, which is really cool. They do have the bigger ones. I think they have other dimensions. This one is the 1 inch or 1.5 inch in diameter. So this I believe is perfect for that new die that I got. So I'll check it out and I'll show you guys when I create a project with that. So got that. And then I had to pick this up after my BFF Erica showed it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I had to. I checked it out on Amazon and it was reasonable, you know, the price considering that you get so many. And so I had to. I need to make some bows, more bows, and I don't know, I'm just not motivated to do that many bows right now, even though I want to make bows because I just like the colors are off. So anyway, just I got this, and so I thought perfect, you know, for Halloween. Purple's going to be nice for Halloween. So now when I did receive this, it did have a chemical smell. Just to let you know, just go ahead and air it out and it disappears. So anyway, I thought this variety pack was great, considering that these are colors that I normally would use. You know, I love the pinks, that's my favorite color, and then the purple too. And look at this holographic. You guys know I'm crazy about my holographic or anything iridescent, anything super duper shiny. So had to pick this up. And they are small. I want to say this is like a 6x9 maybe. Kind of looks like it. Let me see. Or 6x8, something like that. Okay, close to 6, not quite. 5 7/8. And then about 8 1/4 in length. So there's that. So I had to pick that up. And then while I was on there and looking at that particular product, I saw these and I had to pick them up. Oh my gosh. Pastel colored glitter faux leather, or it's actually, it feels like canvas. It's the type that you get from Hobby Lobby, but I can't get to Hobby Lobby right now. You know, I'd have to do an online purchase. And anyway, I just thought this was a really great deal. And, you know, I have free shipping and everything. So, but I loved the colors. And that's another thing is you don't get the pastel colors. I mean, not the ones I like anyway. Some, but not all. But this, oh my gosh, you guys are going to love this. Okay, so there's the yellow. I mean, and this is the pretty yellow. I love this yellow. Very nice. And then there's the white. So can't go wrong with the white. Look at the pink. Beautiful. And at my Hobby Lobby, I just don't see these colors. Well, I haven't been in a while, but I just don't see, you know, the pastel colors. I mean, the pink, yes. The white, yes. But not some of these. Like this shade, I don't think I've ever seen this. And look at the beautiful pinkish purple lilac, I guess you could say. And then the blue, oh my gosh, so pretty. And then the peach. So I love all the colors, and this is like one of those packs that, you know, you just have to have, because I just love every single color in this pack. So just to let you know, just to give you a full view. See, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I had to pick it up. And then I got my order from Andrea Bethke. I had pulled out all of my Halloween paper collections, because you guys know I'm crazy about working on Halloween projects right now, and you know, doing my Halloween in July projects. I had pulled out all my Halloween and I forgot that I had this one. So this is the Andrea Bethke Trick or Treat. I got this from the expo last year, but it was one of the last booths that I was able to go to. And you know, by then I pretty much ran out of money already. So I'm pretty sure I probably put this on my credit card. But I had gotten this collection, and you know, I didn't get to use it because I think it was in October. So I don't remember. But I think it was already past Halloween or something, or I was working with other papers. But let me just show you this one real quick, so you know, you can kind of see the whole collection. But this is again from last year, and I did get, I think I just got 3 of the, what are these called? Planner inserts, I guess you would call it. Anyway, isn't that pretty? It's it's adorable. I love Zero. Anyway, I ended up getting the buttons last year. I'm going to go through this quickly because I actually did do a haul on this last year, but I just wanted to really quickly show you guys. This is the Trick or Treat variety pack, it's called, but it's mostly the sentiments. And she didn't have the ephemera. She ran out. So, you know, I couldn't get it, and I forgot to get it online. These are the cut aparts, and it has little tickets on it. So when I saw it and I was looking for some tickets, there's little tickets. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You guys have to check this out on her site for a full view of what's in the collection. Because like I said, I wasn't able to get everything. These are the stickers, the sticker sheet. So I think it's double-sided. So how cute are those, right? And this has, as you can tell already, it has the Jack Skellington theme. And oh my gosh, when I saw it, I fell in love, because you guys know I like Jack Skellington. So this is in the houses. Oh my gosh. Okay, so real quick, and these are some of the cut aparts. And then recently deceased, that one's called that. And then look, I mean, come on. I had to get this collection last year. And if you guys have never purchased from Andrea Bethke, her papers are, oh my gosh, super amazing. Here's the cut aparts. And I think she ran out of some of the papers too. And so I kind of looked through my stash. So these were the ones I got from the Scrapbook Expo last year. And this is my order that came. So I was missing this one. So this one is it has the countdown. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this collection. It's so pretty. And her papers, the quality is just, it's so nice, you guys. It's so nice. There's this sheen to it, and it's a good thickness. Here's another one. I am the pumpkin queen. I mean, look at Jack. He's so cute. Even Oogie Boogie. And I mentioned that before. Oogie Boogie looks cute in this one. Then there's this one. Oh yeah, I was missing this one. Look at the hearts. They're just so stinking adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so I was missing those three. So I couldn't remember which of these that I was missing. So I think I ended up getting another one. Yeah, I already have this one. But this one I didn't have. And look, it has a little calendar on it. And again, this is the planner wish list. How cute. The little houses, so I can cut that apart if I wanted to. Look at Zero. I think I already got this one, but that's okay if I have two, because then I can use the other side, right? Because it's double-sided. Strange and Unusual. So stinking cute. And the colors, they're just so vibrant. I mean, I don't know what paper she uses. I wish I knew, because the color saturation is amazing. Amazing, right? So yes, I had to complete my little collection. I had to get the Trick or Treat acrylic pieces. And now normally it comes like this, and it has the teal treat word and the little heart. But the owner, not Andrea, but I think it's her husband, Rick, he had contacted me and said he ran out of the teal at the moment. He didn't have it, so he asked if it would be acceptable for him to send the orange acrylic instead. And I said that's fine, because it's Halloween, and it's actually a very pretty orange, even though I'm not into the whole orange color. But during Halloween, I love it. I love it. I would have preferred the teal, but I think it's still really, really pretty, and will still go with, you know, everything, if I even use it. Sometimes I just hoard it, but no, I'm gonna try to use it this year. Okay, so then this is the Ephemera Pack. Oh my gosh, I was so super happy. There's a lot of pieces in there, guys. So let me see if she even tells you how many. But look, I'm just gonna show you guys. I think it's easier if I just, not that much glare here. So look at the teacup, so stinking cute. And I was missing this last year. Oh, I was so happy that she still had some, you know, with Halloween coming up. And I don't know if she has a new one for Halloween, but oh, I know her new one right now is that Cinderella themed one. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure, but I think this is part of that collection. Fairy Tale Wishes and Hello. I don't know what that other one is called, but you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box, but I had to have this because I had to have that fairy tale. It's so, so pretty, because look, it's so iridescent. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that one? It's so iridescent. You guys know I love my iridescent and finishes, and what's the other one? Holographic. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna throw this in there too, because, you know, since I'm ordering and since I'm gonna start working with resin. I haven't done it yet, guys. I'm still setting up, and I just wanted to see how they do it. So it looks like they do probably the E6000, and then I love actually that it's this way, because even if you use that other thing that you attach, you know, that paper clip attachment, it just makes it a little bit more bulky. This one, it makes it a little bit more bulky, I think. Plus this is way too big. I couldn't possibly use it on a small resin like this. But it adds bulk, so I do actually like this method with the it looks pretty. So I'm gonna have to try that. So, but oh my gosh, it's already done for you. So Why not? Why not just pick it up? And also, you know, I'm supporting her shop. Gotta support the California shops too. Stay tuned for a project share for Arlena Craft design team. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!